Hey guys, this is Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. I am back. Okay, if you're here for the first time, go ahead and do me a favor and click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload the videos. Okay, now I am here because I want to speak on a program that I joined back in 2016. Okay. I was promoting it last year. I haven't promoted it this year. But I'm coming back because I'm getting a lot of people that's finding my videos and they're liking this program. Okay, because they are looking for a direct mail program. And yes, there's a lot of them popping up out here, as you can see. But what I wanted to do is come back and talk about this one because I'm getting a lot of inquiries on it. And it has value. Okay, yes, I am in a couple other programs, but this one is standing out more now because people are looking for value. They don't want to just join a program now and then they have to do the printing and whatnot. What Tycoon is going to bring to you is going to give you some value, give you something tangible in your starter kit so you can get started. Okay, so I'm going to go over that and I'm going to let you see it. It comes with a website too. So let's do this because I made some little notes. Okay, hang on a second. Alright, well let's first start out in 2016. That's when I joined it by a company called WTM Publications. The creator, the owner is Eric Panelon. He's retired United States Air Force. Okay, so I've worked with him with various direct mail programs. Alright. Now, the Tycoon pays $300 per sale, and you're going to be paid via money order in your name. So there's going to be two money orders, one in your name and one in the company's name. Now, what's great about the Tycoon is it comes with a starter kit. And in your kit, you're going to get 250 full-color postcards and 250 leads on pill and stick labels. Okay? So that's wonderful. And let me show you mine here. Let's see if I can hold it up for you. Okay. And I'm going to show you a picture of it online. See, I have my domain on mine, postcarddiva.com. And then we're going to flip it over so you can see it's in full color too. Okay. So it's an eye-catching card. Now, the company is going to collect the money orders. So what you're going to do is you're going to mail them both. One will be in my name, one will be in the company's name. And you're going to mail them both to the company. Okay? They're going to collect them. And you say, well, why? Why is the company going to collect the money orders? Because they're going to track your sales. Because they offer what's called a bonus. It's a 5 for life bonus. And on every 5th sale, and it tells you that on this card. Okay? You'll see that on the card right there. Every 5th sale, they're going to send you 500 full-color postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps, okay, on every 5th sale for life, okay? And you get a website, okay, with this. And we're going to go over and I'm going to show you the website because you're going to get this site as well. And I'm going to show you that on the website. So what we're doing here with this program and what people are interested in is getting some value with it. They want to be able to have something they can get in the mail and just just mail it out. So what's going to happen here is you're going to get your 250 cards and your 250 leads, and all you're going to need to do is purchase your stamps, and you're ready to roll. Okay? So let's go over. Hang on a second. Well, before we go over, I'm going to show you something real quick. Okay? As I just stated, the 5 for life. But what I'm going to do is for everybody that joins me in this program, the Tycoon, I'm going to mail you an extra 250 leads on pill and stick labels, okay? So you're going to end up with 500 leads, 250 cards, and 250 cards, and 250 leads from the company, and then an extra 250 leads from me, okay? So that's going to give you 500 leads, all right? Now, I also just made a note, that way I don't forget this, is I have a resource where you can get 1,000 of these cards. Okay, this is color, guys. This is thick, glossy color card. You're gonna be able to get 1,000 cards for $84.66. That's in color, front and back. So when it's time to reorder, that's what you're going to spend. So that's a great deal. Okay, so let's go over to that site. Let me let you check it out. Let me show you the card. Here it is. This is, you'll see this on your website too. See the thickness of it. It's very thick, high gloss. And it's going to have your domain right here. Like mine is www.300perdaysystem.com, and it is $16.90 for me. Okay, you're going to have yours on here. But this is the card that everybody will see. It even has a 24-hour message on there. Okay, so call that number and check it out. You'll be able to hear the sizzle message that he has on it. And it tells them right here what they're getting. You know, the bonus. You make 300 per sale, and you're going to get these 500 free postcards, names, and stamps on every 5th sale. Okay? So let me take you to the site. Okay, here is the website that everybody's going to get. And it even has right here, if someone goes online, they can press play right here, and it'll play that same message that you're going to hear if you dial the number. Okay? So check it out. Here's Eric right here. And he tells you about the 5 for life right here. But let me just show you. I'm just going to thumb through all that. You can read that at your leisure. I'll put that link below. I want you to see what's included in writing. Okay? So that's going to save you money. Okay? With you just being able to get your kit and just just buy your stamps and you're ready to roll. Right here. It says, hey, things get even better. It says the Tycoon will start you off with 250 free postcards, 250 free of hot prospects. Okay? Now, doesn't stop there. Let me show you, talk about the 5 for life. Let me show you, it also includes everything you will get. Okay, it tells you get basically a master reseller's license. So you can resell this program and make $300 per sale. And it tells you right here, you get a quick start report. Okay, you get the enrollment info for the 5 for life, which I mentioned. Okay, and then they give you a CD. Okay, and that CD, it talks about mail order. It's a manual, a black belt manual. It also talks about 100. You're gonna get list sources, a directory. All right, and then the done for you service. Okay, I have a source if you're interested in just saying, hey, well, you know what? I want to order my cards. I want them to put the leads on them, and I want them to mail them. I don't want to do anything with that. I have a source that you can contact to get that as well. Okay, and then it mentions what I just mentioned. You get 250 full color cards, front and back, 250 leads. Okay, and there's that recorded message that's included. Okay. So, and you're looking at the website you're going to get, okay? So, that's what the Tycoon is going to include. So, you actually get something tangible, okay, in your starter kit. 250 of these and 250 leads, okay? Then I'm going to give you 250 leads as well, okay? So, that's something great of value, guys, okay? And then on every 5th sale, again, I keep reiterating because I want you to know what you're getting on every 5th sale, and it tells you this over and over on this website. Every 5th sale, you're going to get 500 cards. They're going to send you 500 of these, 500 leads, and 500 stamps, okay? You cannot beat that, the 5 for life bonus, okay? Now, and then you get $300 per sale, guys. There's no pass-ups, any of that. The money order's going to come straight to you. Okay, once Eric gets them, you mail it to the company. Both of the money orders, the $300 one and the $198 goes to the company. That's $498, and then he will turn around and mail me mine. Okay. Now, this site, this is what you're gonna get. Check it out here. Okay. Now, this is if you want to promote it online. If you're just gonna mail these out, you know what it does. See, what it does is it's going to send people. This site is going to be on the card. Okay? Let me be clear. This site is what they're going to. What you're looking at. He's going to put your link on there. Now, you know me. I have a capture page system for mine. And I'll share my code with you if you're interested. I have the Conversion Pros that I use. And then I have another option for you that's $17.95 a month, that you can get, and that way if you're interested in putting your own domain on there and having the leads come to you so you can track your leads, then you get a capture page system. I highly recommend it because that way I'll know if my leads are working. Okay, otherwise you're just kind of throwing the money in the wind. You know what I mean? So I'll show you 2 of those pages in a minute. Now, like I mentioned, I have a place where you can get 1,000. When you get ready to reorder, I have a place as well. He lists one here, but I have one as well when you can reorder your cards. But this page basically answers everybody's questions. When they go there, they can read it. If not, guess what? Your name and number is going to be on your page at the bottom. Okay, he will put your name and number at the bottom. So if people have questions, guess what? They can call you. So you'll know if people are responding as well too, because a lot of times people will call and see if this is real. So they'll go to your site, which is this page you're looking at. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go down because I want you to see it right here. It tells you clearly you must make the $300 payment to the authorized dealer who referred you, which will be myself, and then you would mail the other money order of $198 to the company. Now, I highly recommend you do it via priority. That way you can track it. You have a tracking number and everything. Okay, it's only what, $7.35 to mail priority. Okay, and then it states here again. All right, you see my name right here on the page. So your name and number will be on your page as well. So right here, it gives you specific instructions. What they will do is they're gonna, if they get the card in the mail, they're just gonna make a copy of it, front and back. Okay, mail it in with the 2 money orders. Okay, but it's very clear on what you need to do. Very simple. All right. So let me show you 2 of the capture pages options, and I recommend it that way you can track your efforts. Okay, you want to know, are people responding, you know, kind of thing. Even though your number is on the website, okay, they can call you, but I like to track, you know, my marketing. So I'm just going to show you what they look like, and that's optional if you like. Okay. This is a page I've created in the Conversion Pros. Okay, so see how to make $300 in your mailbox 6 days a week. Okay, then let me show you the other one. Okay, this is the Conversion Pros, and I'll share that share code if you join me in that. Let me show you the other page. Okay, and here's the other page. Introducing a proven, simple, step-by-step postcard system that makes $300 payments directly into your mailbox. So here's another page, guys. Okay. So, again, that's optional, but I recommend it, okay? So, yes, the Tycoon, okay, is back in demand because of the value that it offers. All right, so if you're looking for a direct mail program, Tycoon is a great option. Again, you get 250 color cards front and back, okay? And you're going to get 250 leads. The company's going to do that. That comes in your kit. All right. Then I'm going to throw in an extra 250 for joining the program. Okay. So you need 2 money orders. It tells you that on this page, one for 300, one for 98, one in my name, one in the company name. Mail them priority. That way you can track them. Okay. But you're going to get value with this because you're going to have something tangible. All you're going to need to do is when you get those 250 cards and labels, you decide how much you want to mail out. Just go get you some postcard stamps. It's only 35 cents for postcard stamps. You don't need a letter or any of that. Just the cards. Mail them out and track. I say track because that way you'll know if your leads are working, because I'm going to give you a couple sources of different leads that you want to use. I switch them up. I don't use the same ones over and over. The same companies, but what the key is mailing to those same people. Okay, once you get a good list. All right, so the Tycoon is the way to go. Okay? So if you're looking for a way to make some money, direct mail, this is a great way to go. 300 per sale, guys. So even if you mail, you can only afford to do 100 every week. That's $35 that you're going to spend for 100 cards to go out, right? But just think if you got one sale on that, that's $300 bucks. You don't have to pass anything up or anything. and it's going to be a money order. So it's definitely going to be a great return on your investment. Okay.